Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. For those who are new here, I am Terry Ray, better known on IG and TikTok as Xoxoterre. If you haven't followed me on those platforms just yet, please go ahead and do so now because I will continuously upload content and it's also a great place for those of you who want to reach out to me to message me. I am in the works of getting an email address so people can reach out to me with all of their questions and concerns. I'm just trying to get more organized. Again, I do appreciate everyone who supported me and those of you who have been patient with me. I have received over 1,000 of inbox, so I cannot respond to everybody at once. So if you guys can continue to bear with me, again, I do greatly appreciate it. But today I'm going to be discussing my viral video that got over 500,000 views on TikTok. That's probably why many of you have came over to this channel. You want to know more information about the properties and our communities that I've been posting. So again, I'll be more than happy to do so. But before I get into the actual video and we get to discuss things on today, I want to go ahead and put this disclaimer on the screen. Thank you so much for reading the disclaimer in full details and verbatim. Now, a lot of you guys probably seen my TikTok videos that went viral. When these videos went viral, I was not expecting it. It was just something that happened. I'm grateful that it happened because it gives me an opportunity to spread the word and to help more people. Now, one video in particular about Chapman crossing, it was the one that I uploaded the very first video that I uploaded on TikTok as it related to a community. Now, this video got over 500,000 views. It came with thousands of comments. Again, I was very overwhelmed, but very appreciative that so many people watched the videos. But in the comments, there were so many questions that I'll be more than happy to answer. The questions were like, are these Section 8s? How are they? You know, just a lot of different general questions that I don't mind answering. Now, let me say this. If you go back and look at my older videos here on this platform, I started this channel back in 2020 during the pandemic because I just felt the need to help people. That's who I am. I like to help people. It's just my passion. So when I was out of work, because I am an educator for those who do not know, school was canceled, everything was canceled. I got bored. I still needed to find a way to live out my purpose and my passion, which is to help people. So I came across this idea to drive around my city, show people some affordable living, because at that point, so many people were losing their jobs. So many people were losing their homes. So I said, how can I be information or a source to others to help all these people out? So that's when I came about, created this YouTube channel back in 2020, again, to show affordable living. Now, what happened on TikTok, again, I wasn't expecting this to explode or to go viral or anything. I just kind of got back into the groove of things. I think a lot, I journal a lot, so I got back into the groove of things of living out my purpose. What is my purpose? What is my passion? And it goes back to, again, what I said I started in 2020. My passion and my purpose is to help others. So initially, that's all that I was seeking out to do, was to help others. So I remember this particular apartment complex. It was called Chapman Crossing, and I was in the area. I'm driving by. I ended up on the road to the apartments, and I said, I wonder how these apartments are holding up as of today. Keep in mind, Chapman Crossing, and here's some background information on these apartments. Chapman Crossing is located near Humble, Texas, but it does have a Houston, Texas zip code. If you want all the details on the logistics on the zip code, the address, so that maybe you can reach out, call them, visit yourself, that will be left in the description bar. So do not avoid going to that description box for any of these properties that I discussed, because again, all of the information is in the description box. Now, I was, again, back to the story. So I'm in the area. I go drive by this apartment complex, and I said, wow, these still look nice. I wasn't aware of if all the units were filled or anything to that sort of nature. I just pulled out my camera and I said, I'm going to get back to my purpose and my passion of helping others. Now, whether or not they were filled or not, I didn't go into details or do a deep enough research then at that moment to find out. But I pulled out my camera, I went around and I recorded. And I said, this could be possibly a community that can help others. So I decided to record that day, went home, went about my business. The content was in my phone for a while because of my life and what I do for a living. Sometimes I just don't have time to upload. But again, it's me getting back to my passion and not realizing how big things can become when you truly live out your purpose. So anyways, I record the video, uploaded a few weeks later to TikTok, and boom, bam, it gets over 500,000 views, like over 500,000 views. It kept exploding, kept getting comments. I was waking up to 500 followers at a time, and I'm like, wow, I didn't expect this. All I was trying to do was help others. But again, as I stated before, very thankful, very happy that this happened because it brings me to this point where I get to discuss with people about these apartments. So, of course, I had to go do my further research. When I did my research before uploading it, I did see the price. It was at $356 a month for a one-bedroom. And I was totally blown. I said, wow, this is great. So these are still affordable living. They still look good. So here we are in 2022. It was January 2022, or excuse me, it was December 2021. I'm like, here we are in 2021. This complex was built in 2019. They still look good. This is midday. I don't see, people hanging out or anything. Like I said, this complex is really dunked out. So I was ecstatic. I said, I'm going to help somebody out by posting this. So that's what I did, blew up. So let's just get into the logistics of the apartments. So if you go to Chapman Crossing Apartments website, they do have a 4.3 star rating with 27 reviews. It is located in Atascocita, Texas. However, their address is zip to 77044, which is Houston, Texas. I am very familiar with this zip code. This particular zip code say that it is zoned to amazing schools. While I am all for affordable living, I'm also for great education for your children. So the schools will be linked down below. It again is located in a great school district where your students can get a valuable education. More about the apartments, it does consist of 102 units, which is why it probably have such long waiting lists. I know in the comment sections on TikTok, a lot of people saying the waiting list is out of this world. It is a 3-year period of time. I encourage each one of you guys to do your own research because sometimes people just be talking in the comment section. I have not done research enough to know whether or not the waiting list is 3 years. Again, I encourage you to do your own research. I am here to be a purpose, of course, but I'm just showing you where these affordable living apartments are at. And again, I encourage you to do your further research to make sure that they do have units available or to get any more valuable information that I probably did not cover in my videos. So again, 102 units. It is 2 stories. They consist of 1 to 3 bedrooms. Now, do they take Section 8? So the answer to that is yes. However, all units in affordable living, all units in affordable living are not necessarily Section 8. I told you guys a background story about myself. I actually lived in an income restricted property a while back, and I've never been on Section 8. So don't get, misconstrued, or I want to use the right vocabulary. I don't want you guys to get confused about oh, all of these apartments are Section 8, this, that, and the other one, because that's not true. And even if these apartments had units that were Section 8, there's people that's on Section 8 that use it as a stepping stone, still go to work every day, still go to school, still provide for their family. So I don't want a stigma to be surrounded by affordable living and or Section 8. Is the crime rate high in this area? For the past years that this particular community has been built, I do not see high crime rate. Now, the crime rate in Houston has soared since 2020. However, there's a big thing that's surrounded by that. If you guys want me to discuss that at a later date, let me know in the comment section below. I know there's a lot of people who's planning to move here to Houston, Texas, that want to know, if they'll be safe if they move here, and want to know what the crime rate looks like. I have been here my entire life with the exception of college, and I can say that the crime rate has never been where it is today. But again, there are a lot of things that surrounding why our crime rate has went up. So again, if you want a video about that, I'll be more than happy to do so. Meanwhile, I encourage you to, again, go do your research about these apartments. Go see what they offer. If you want to sign up, do that. If you want to reach out to me for more information, please do so as well. Also, what I want to do is show you guys how ducked off these apartments are. But I need enough people to let me know if there's something that y'all want me to do. Like, I can record to y'all driving to this apartment complex to show y'all how ducked off it is. If you're anything like me, I like to be accessible to like the highways, the expressways and things like that, but I kind of like to be ducked off. Whereas if I give you my address, you know how to find me. But if I didn't give you my address, you don't know how to find me. I'm that type of person. If you're anything like me, you might want to see how ducked off this apartment complex is. Just let me know in the comment section. Say, yeah, girl, go show us. Or I want to see something to that sort of nature. Do that in the comment section below. If I have enough comments, I'll be more than happy to show you guys that. Another thing you can do, if you would like to, is go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, because again, I'll be doing more of this. Also, I want to spread more blessings, and I'm going to actually give away an Amazon gift card to a lucky person. All you have to do is put your email address down in the comment section below, and I'm going to give away the Amazon gift card. And the reason I'm doing this is because I appreciate you looking at this entire videos. I'm not going to make these videos too long, but I do want to make them long enough to where I give out enough information for, to just get you started with your own research process on these different communities and properties. So again, if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe to this video, to this channel, like, comment, and subscribe. And to that lucky winner, congratulations in advance. Y'all don't forget to come back, because I will be uploading more videos. I have so much content sitting in my phone. It's just the fact that right now, what I do for a living kind of clash with my passion at times. So I'm trying to find enough time, y'all. I know I don't have a consistent schedule right now. Please forgive me for that. But I really, really have the passion and the drive to help as many people as possible. So again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I will be dropping content. I want to try to be more consistent. Another thing I like for you guys to do is, if you can, just let me know in the comment section what days you would like me to upload, because I want to do stuff that's conducive to my following, do some stuff that y'all appreciate, or that you guys will be able to tune into. So again, without me rambling so much and talking so much, I do genuinely appreciate each and every one of you who supports this platform, because it gives me purpose for my passion. So again, if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe. I know I said that a lot. subscribe to the channel. Go follow me on IG and TikTok. Until next time, guys, I'm signing off.